This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. So, hello everyone. I welcome you all on behalf of Jodhpur SolidWorks User Group Network. Today we are going to discuss about introduction to Jodhpur SolidWorks User Group Network, introduction to SolidWorks and 3D Experience platform, and the result of the design contest which you all have been participated today. So, key takeaways from today's session will be designing skills, session regarding introduction to SolidWorks and 3D Experience platform, and info about Jodhpur SolidWorks User Group Network. Okay. Who am I? I am Amrit Sal, a BE final year mechanical engineering student, Jodhpur SolidWorks user group leader, SolidWorks champion, and certified SolidWorks expert. My interest lies in CAD designing and automobile. So, Jodhpur SolidWorks user group network, as you all know, we are today here in the banner of Jodhpur SolidWorks user group network. So, here is the logo of Jodhpur slogan. What is our mission? Basically, we regularly meet, we connect with the same reference people who uses SolidWorks and get connected. We discuss new technologies in SolidWorks, and if you get stuck anywhere, then we also meet and we discuss the things. Okay, we have worldwide around 235 groups, 21K plus. This is old data. We have 21K plus members worldwide. We organize hundreds of events and free training also. Okay, so now coming to the today's presenter. Today's presenter is Mr. Harshil Patel. Harshil Patel. He is doing his master's degree in mechanical engineering from University of Windsor from 2021 to present. He did his BE in mechanical engineering from Gujarat Technical University. After that, during his college, he was a technical engineer at Team Bitsy. He was design engineer at Agnee Racing, which was a SAE Baja Team. Many of you are member of SAE India Collegiate Club. After that, he was design engineer at Prompt Equipment Private Limited. Before that, he was technical engineer at GTU Robocon. After that, he has worked as a project assistant with Design Innovation Center at GTU. This was under the MHRD Scheme. He is also a mentor of mechanical engineering program in University of Windsor, which is located in Canada. After that, he is currently working as a uh, auxiliary production associate at Magna International. So now session will be take forward through the by the Harshil Patel. Sir, session is over to you.
Thank you so much. Is my screen visible?
Yes, it is visible.
So, hello everyone. Yeah. So, I'm Harshil Patel. So, I'm presenting today about introduction to SolidWorks and 3D Experience platform for developing a career in a design. So, first of all, I'm thanks to Amrit Lal and Jodhpur Swagan for inviting me for the presentation and share my thoughts on this topic. So, let's begin with my introduction. As like Amrit give all the information about my bachelor's program and masters and all that things. So I'm Harshil Patel. I'm CSWE and certified SolidWorks expert and SolidWorks champion. I'm a SolidWorks student leader program at part of student leader program at University of Windsor, and Right now I'm in my final semester of MH program, and I'm using SolidWorks since 2016, and I use SolidWorks for the SAE Baja robotics and defense project for the DRDO lab. And I've worked in design industry as well as project management as a project assistant in Design Innovation Center GTU. So today's agenda, today we will discuss about introduction of SolidWorks. Then we will talk about 3D experience platform, and also we will talk about SolidWorks certification program, how you can achieve your CSWA to CSWE certification in SolidWorks, and like also you can know about the 3D experience certification. And at the last we will talk about how you can kickstart your career in a design using SolidWorks and 3D experience platform. So let's begin with the introduction of SolidWorks. So all you know about like SolidWorks, so it's a part of Dassault system, and it's offer the complete 3D software tools that you let you to create and simulate and publish the and also manage your data of your design. You can start your product development process using the SolidWorks, and you can use it for the manufacturing process, simulation process, and all the process. So SolidWorks products are easy to learn and use, and work together to help your design product better, faster, and more cost effectively. SolidWorks regionally capability allows you to move effortlessly through the stage of product development. So you can use SolidWorks for the product development, and you can access various tools to design your product, and you can develop your design using applying for the different material, and you can check the analysis and simulation through the SolidWorks, and you can make your product development process easy and faster using the SolidWorks and 3D experience platform. So it's the basic of SolidWorks. So as you show, in the design SolidWorks software, it's include like parts, assembly, and drawings. So in the parts, you can create the 3D model, and you can do the advanced modeling, surface modeling, mold design, sheet metal, weldment, and also you can do the electric design, and you can use MBD and visualization for the rendering of your developed product. So now I'm going to share about some SolidWorks. So once you start the SolidWorks, you get the display like this in the running. If you want to create the part, you have to go through the click new, and you will if you want to create part, you can use the part. Yeah, after creating different parts, you can go with the assembly process. In the assembly process, you will assemble all your components, and in the end you can do the drawing for giving the developed product or part for the manufacturing process, or saving the design data and all that things. So let's begin with the part. So once it start, you will get the display like this. In the part, you can there's the top plan, front plan, and right plan. You can start design as per your design, and you can start your sketch by selecting the plan. You can also do the surface if you want to create there's also sheet metal part, weldmate, mold tools, and many more. Like if you want to add your another tabs like structure system or render tool, or you can select over here from the menu. So let's begin with the sketch. Right now we are like design the some let's take a bottle example. If we want to create the bottle, we can take the right plane or front plane, and we can start the sketch. So now I'm giving the fillet to the part. Now I'm creating the offset of the sketch for taking the revolve. Now I'm going to complete the sketch for the revolve that's required the uh, yeah, so it's the so now it's the like a bottle is created. So now if we want to give the like a different material, so we can give the material. Right now we will give the glass material. So now the bottle is created. Like now for the product development, we can, if we want to like develop this bottle using the 3D print, or like maybe for the give for the machining work, we can use it. Like if we want to we have to save for a bottle, and we can export is as a like a print for 3D direct for the 3D printing. And also we can save as different parts like extension of STL and IGS format as required. So now if we want to create the 2D sheet of this bottle, we have to just go through the open drawing and like make the drawing from part. So we can select the sheet size. Now we can add the part over here, and we can create the different view for the bottle. Now we can give the smart dimension over here for the better understanding of the drawing to the manufacturer. And also we can give auto dimension for the SAM. We can create the like balloons, like if there's a too much assembly in the drawing, we can create the bill of material and drawing from the parts, so we can easily understand the design, and we can represent to the manufacturer or to the companies for the better understanding. And we can over here uh, fill the data, like that's material, we can add the weight of the bottle, and we can create the data as per need. So it's the basic introduction of SolidWorks and SolidWorks drawing. And we can save it like in the drawing file of SolidWorks, as well as we can directly save as a PDF. So now it's created in a PDF. Also we can export this data in the in 3D view. If we want to save as a 3D view, we can save as a 3D in the Adobe. There's a required Adobe reader for the supporting file. So that's SolidWorks basic introduction. Now we will talk about 3D experience platform. So 3D experience platform. So what's the 3D experience platform? 3D experience is a business and innovation platform that provides organization with the holistic real-time vision of their business activity and ecosystem. So it's not include only design, it's include all the things, you can save your data, you can plan your meetings, your planning for the developing process, and you can communicate with your team members with the 3D experience platform in one single space. So it creates single collaborative environment for the industry and business or the startup. So any industry, business or startup can work with the 3D experience platform to develop and like uh, introduce their product to the market with just one platform, 3D experience platform. So it's collect all the information and required data in one platform. So it's platform of all the data, like it's include design, engineering data, simulate data, services, maintenance, like maintain, and operation, research related, uh, and lean related, all the data, and on the one platform. And anyone can access the 3D experience platform. You can access 3D experience platform for your mobile phone, like it's cloud based, so you can access with your mobile phone, laptop, and any internet. So you can access it. So now we will talk about 3D experience for the SolidWorks for the students. So it's include like student 3D experience SolidWorks for the student is a new cloud-based software option for student to giving them access to the world's most powerful set of design tools. This platform is more than simply a set of design and engineering tools for the student. So it's the cover all the things related like SolidWorks which we are using offline like software based version. It's the same thing in the cloud version, and with the like more data management and more access to the market, and like also give the access to the different resources which you can utilize for your developing the product and with your team. So it's a jam packed with real-time communication and collaborative app, allowing user to engage with 3D experience online community, peers, and experts. It's access cutting-edge browser-based design tool from any device. You can use it from the Mac, Chromebook, and tablet, any from anywhere. And it's include like communities, access to the communities. You can collaborate your data to your teammates and industry. You can manage your project. You can check about product life cycle and planning for the lean manufacturing. You can connect your 3D experience platform to the SolidWorks desktop version, and you can directly save your data, your created data in SolidWorks to directly 3D experience platform, and you can share with your teams. And you can talk about design for like if you want to give the review or something, you can give with the single access on a 3D experience platform. So what's the 3D experience SolidWorks students include? So right now in 3D experience SolidWorks student, you can like say that it's a 3D designer. Like there's some other tools available on 3D experience platform like Simula, Katia, and all the things is cloud related. Now we will talk about like SolidWorks for the 3D designer. For the like we can say it's that like 3D experience platform for SolidWorks. In 3D experience like SolidWorks 3D designer, it includes 3D creator, 3D sculptor, sheet metal creator, product document creator, mold creator, structure creator. So it's cover almost all the parts which we can use in SolidWorks in desktop version, all the things we can use in cloud version. So like here's some logo like it's X design, it's X shape. You can use sheet metal of the SolidWorks. So it's cover all the things which we can use in the SolidWorks desktop version, and it's like we can say that like it's a higher version of cloud-based higher version with more resource and more data management facility. So now I'm going to give you the access for like 3D like talk about the 3D experience platform. So this is 3D experience platform. Once you log in, you can like this. It's a start like, and you get the welcome, no, and so this is the 3D experience platform where you can design and collaborate with your team members and develop your product development process. So you can have to create the account for the 3D experience platform, and you can connect with the community, and you can create the things from the SolidWorks, cloud-based SolidWorks. So now we will talk about like 3D creator. So like we want to create the 3D design, we have to just go with the 3D creator, and the display will like so, and we can start our design in the one cloud-based data system. So we just select the new component, and we can give the name. Right now I am using the SolidWorks Maker Edition for the 3D Experience platform, which provided by Dassault System as a part of SolidWorks Champion program. So this one is a like SolidWorks 3D experience, like 3D experience platform SolidWorks. So here we can get like there's a plan. We can select the plan for the sketch. We can easily sketch as we do in the SolidWorks. Now I'm going to create a center line. So we can create the same thing in the cloud version with easily like from the tablet, or we can also use a mobile phone for the designing the anything from the cloud software. Now like we have to give the mirror, and we can just create the complete the part, and we can do the features and program and all the things from the cloud version. And we can also talk about the life cycle, and we can how we can marketing this product, and we can how we can plan for the marketing and all that things we will done through this one. So it's the same thing which we use in a SolidWorks desktop version. So it's like a X design, there we can design all the things uh, and plan for the product development process in cloud version. Now we will talk about 3D sculptor, where we can do any design like from the excluding the part like with our as per your need, we can design the car, and also unshaped like program with X shape. Maybe there's some issue with 3D sculptor right now. So like this is X shape, where we can just enter the part and like shape like circle or something, and we can do our design with like existing like with points of part. So it's like easiest, like we can add the part as per we need, and we can start creating our design using 3D sculptor for making any product. So like we can see the like some video for this. Now we can like do the same thing, and as per our need we can create a unshaped part, like if we want to create some cover of something, like then we can uh, take the dimension of that particular part, and we can create the another design using this software for the fast designing process. So this is accept, and here we will get the community access, like it's like a 3D creator, a different role we can access in the 3D experience platform. Also there's too much resources like and available. You can use it for the product development and also for the communicate with your team. If we want to visualize, we can use the solid visualization connect for the 3D experience platform. You can manage your document. You can give the access to the your teammate with your design or particular team. If you want to give only some particular design, you can just check the for that, and you can give limited resource and limited resource access to your team member as per their requirement. So it's bunch of various tools, and you can create anything and collaborate with your community with better designing and better process. You can also plan you can planning for the same, like if you are working on any particular project, you can create the like project chart, and you can plan according to your timeline, and you can communicate with your team members to take like a reminder about what's the process and what's the review on that thing, something like that. So you can do all the things on the 3D experience platform. There's not require any other document for the creating any product development process. So we can say that in 3D experience platform, uh, we can plan anything, and we can do all the things on the one platform only. So that's the thing about SolidWorks 3D experience platform. So it's cover all the things. Also you can access to the tutorials and like community in 3D experience platform. Now we are going to talk about SolidWorks certification. So SolidWorks certification. So what's the SolidWorks certification program? So SolidWorks certification can be used as a benchmark of measure your knowledge and competency with the SolidWorks software. And SolidWorks certification give you benchmark to verify your knowledge skills with SolidWorks software. With certification, you can easily like demonstrate your expertise to the SolidWorks community and show your dedication to the professional development and put yourself ahead from the competition. And it's industry an industry can easily identify you as a SolidWorks software based like SolidWorks examination, and for the jobs and your expertise level in using the SolidWorks. So it's plays significant role in for the students to developing their career in a design. If you have like a certification in SolidWorks, you can easily get the interview calls, and you can compete with the competition. So why should you certified? Like if you are working with the startup or any organization. So it's represent like benchmark of your employee level and your skill performance assessment as per like if you're running any design industry like design studio or something like that. If your employees has a various certification in SolidWorks, then you can easily say that like your all the employees are certified SolidWorks expert and that represent your level, so you can get the beneficial from the another company like for the getting the orders for like design research and all that things. For like students, like if you are graduate students, so and you are planning for getting the job, so if you are add your cvs your certificate in cvs, so it's make your cv stronger and give the chances of selection for the particular job. And you can access you can get your jobs in particular field of design as per your certification. And you can for the students you can if you have a SolidWorks certifications, you can say that you have like industry knowledge of industry knowledge of SolidWorks, because in the SolidWorks exam there's a bunch of small things cover in the CSWA, CSWP, and E. So if you have like completed CSWAP, and then you can any industry can hire you, and because if you have completed CSWA and P, then they can easily understand that your design knowledge as per the difficulty level of exam, and you can easily work on particular softwares and your with the expertise, so they don't have to waste time for the training for you, like for the like if you are selected for the design role as a SolidWorks designer and you have CSWA and P, then recruiter know that you have knowledge to particular various tools and command, so you can easily access, so they don't have to waste time for training you again for the SolidWorks. So it's give the better job opportunity for if you have SolidWorks certification. So now we will talk about the certification exam, like from the CSWA to how you can go for the CSWE. So CSWA means Certified SolidWorks Associate, CSWP Certified SolidWorks Professional, and CSWE Certified SolidWorks Expert. So you can start your career like in design by CSWA to CSWP. So once you complete the CSWA, you can plan for the CSWP. Then you have to complete the CSW Advanced Professional Examination to reach to the SolidWorks certification like in the expert level. So in the CSWA, there's like sustainable design, mechanical design, simulation, and additive manufacturing and electric design. You can go for the CSWA. Then you can plan for the CSWP. In the P, there's a CSWP mechanical design. After taking the CSWP mechanical design, you have to complete at least 4 from the advanced professional level exam to get the CSWE certification. So also you can go for the CSWA simulation to CSW professional simulation, and also you can get the professional exam in simulation cam, MBD, and ADM administrator. Um, you can directly take the CSWP exam, but you can't take this advanced professional exam directly. You have to complete the CS, like if you want to take the exam for SolidWorks like professional drawing tools, you have to take the professional mechanical design exam to complete that particular advanced topic. And after completing this out of 4 professional certification, you can complete the CSW e-certification. You can take the SolidWorks certification exam through the virtual tester. You have to download the virtual tester from this link, and you can download the Tester Pro client version for the taking the exam. So here is the video which show how you can take the download the SolidWorks virtual tester platform, and you can log in to give the exam. Like if you want to give any 3D experience platform exam like SolidWorks, CATIA, and some cloud based, you can go with this and apply for the uh, certification exam. You can download it from here, and you can get the access. Also you can just a second, let me share the screen. Uh, this one is like my SolidWorks website, where you can access tutorial and all the things from the for the my SolidWorks, and you can learn all the things from over here. So you can easily log in from over here, and if you don't have account, you can create the account. That's if you have any SolidWorks certification certificate, you can easily enter credential, and any employee or any recruiter know your verify your certification from the 3D experience virtual tester. And so you have to just log in with the login, and you can create the check your certification. Right now I have 11 certification in various 3D experience platform and SolidWorks, which I can access through the 3D experience center virtual tester website. So this is the process for take the exam. You can create the account, and you can if you have any voucher, you can just copy paste the voucher, and you will get the access for that particular exam. And you can also buy the SolidWorks certification exam voucher over the phone, from the internet, from the certification website. So this is the various exam available for the SolidWorks. If you want to take the exam for the 3D experience SolidWorks associate platform, you can just go with the link, and you can buy it from the SolidWorks website directly. So this is how you can go for the SolidWorks exam and create the exam, give the exam for getting the certification. Now we are going to talk about how to kickstart your career in a design using 3D Experience platform and SolidWorks. So let's begin with the 3D EDU. So in the 3D experience edu space, you will get all the resources to learn about SolidWorks and 3D experience platform. So just you have to go through the 3D experience edu website, and you can get all the access where you can start your learning path as per your requirement. As I said, like there's various CATIA and Simula and all the various software also available for the learning. So if you first you have to need the learn about the collaborative industrial platform like business innovator role. So you can know about 3D experience platform and how you can access the anything from the platform. Once you can learn that things, you can start for the 3D experience SolidWorks program, and you can learn about this thing, CAD role and various role. You can create your account, or you can just log in with the edu platform, and you can get all the things. If you want to start, you have to just go with the start, and you can get all the tutorial over here. Like this is for the opening and saving files in 3D experience SolidWorks. You can start these things. So after once you complete the one particular video session, then you will get the some quiz types of MCQ type questions where you can identify your knowledge and you can go with the next part. So this is the process about 3D edu platform. And also there's various 3D experience certification, platform certification. You can get the access for them after creating account and go with the learning path. So if you want to give the 3D experience collaborative designer for SolidWorks associate role, you have to complete the this thing, and you have to complete the path, and you will get the 3D experience collaborative designer for SolidWorks associate role exam. You can easily enroll now by like there's some credit issue, like I have some 2 credits, so I just use it for the another course and particular, so that I'm not able to take that things right now. So you can plan according to your industry, like if you want only for the Mickey brand the SolidWorks, you can go for the SolidWorks, and you will get the like tutorial for 3D experience sculptor role and creator role, and also collaborative designer role. So you have to you go through the all the paths, and you can in the end you can take the certification exam and complete your certification in 3D experience platform. So this is all about 3D edu platform to learn all the things. Once like we want to talk about my SolidWorks, you can join the SolidWorks from if you don't have an account, you can join it from over here, and you can log in it directly if you have. So I just log in the SolidWorks, my SolidWorks platform. Now I want to get the training, or want to learn about SolidWorks. So I just go with the learning path, and like I want to learn about like 3D sculptor. We can it's almost same thing like the 3D edu space, but in the my SolidWorks you will get the particular topic listed on this website, and you can access with all the particular things. So like if you want to create the learning for the 3D creator role, you can just go the 3D creator role, and you can start the learning of 3D creator role. Like if you want to learn about collaborative space, you can learn about collaborative space and industry roles and business innovator role. You can learn about team player, and you can part supply optimization. So that's here's the all the source available. You can start anything. about SolidWorks learn for the learning. If you want to learn for the your CSW exam preparation, you can take this course and start learning for the CSWA examination. So once I apply for learn for the CSWA, I took this course and complete all the things. So like if you are completed once particular uh, tools something for the learning, you just notify by completed, and you can anytime start the learning from the next topic. So it automatically saved, so you don't have to worry about not all the things. So you can learn for the any examination from the my SolidWorks website, like CSWAP and expert. Also you can learn about mold design, sheet metal exam, same for the all the different like mold design, all the things. So this one I also for the additive manufacturing process. So it creates a lot of tutorial, and you can, if you want to learn about any technical session, you can just go with the technical session, and you will get access to the various 3D experience learning about you can particular session which is for the 3D experience world, as well as some meetups and from the SolidWorks. So you can get any information and you can learn any topic from the my SolidWorks website. You just have to create the account for the my SolidWorks. So this is my SolidWorks. Now we are talk about how you can start your career for finding the opportunity for 3D designing, or in the in the Dassault system. So you can go for the 3ds career jobs, and there's a lot of opening available as per locations. So just go for the India, and you can just type right now you are looking for the internship. You just go for the internship. So you can see that there's a two internships available right now, interns as a creative designer, and a simulation engineer intern. So you have to just check for the opportunity, and you can also, you can, if you want to apply for the job, you can go for the job. So there's a various job also available. So you have to just look for the this looking from this website. You can like uh, apply and plan your career. Like if you are students, and right now if you want to prepare for the internship or something like that, so you can just go with the internship and apprenticeship program. You can just log in, and you can connect with a recruiter, and you can talk about opportunity and all that. So this is the simple process. You have to just give the online applications by filling the form, and the recruiter, you have to give the interview, and you can connect with employee, and you can just go get the job opportunity from that, internship offer and all that things. So it's the one single click away from the website. So I'm just dropping the link for the same. So it's open for all the pool locations. So you will get various as per your need. So this is how you can start your career in 3D design industry by SolidWorks, and you can learn about all the things in education and also for the learning purpose. So now it's time for the question answer. Like if you have any questions, you can ask or you can drop in the chat box. So any question from the audience?
So basically, I have a question.
Okay.
So how can we access the 3D experience platform as a normal student of a university level? If our university or college do not have the subscription of academic version of SolidWorks or 3D.
Sure. Yeah. So like some university has the access to the like a 3D experience platform as like they have the access to the SolidWorks software. So like right now, if you like university don't have the access to the SolidWorks like 3D experience platform, you just use the like you can use the like 3D experience from the 999 per month USD like so just a second, I'm showing you. So it's basically 3D experience maker edition. It's called like 3D experience SolidWorks for the makers. So if you like buy this 3D experience platform, like it's 999 like per month, and you can buy it for the nine almost $100 for the year, and you will get the access to the all the platform like a year, and you can give in the monthly payment of like subscription like 999 per month, or you can directly take in 999 per month. You have to just simple steps to buy that software. You have to just create the account which you want, like it's the like yearly subscription, like it's a Canada rate, so like it's 129, and it's like you can just select as per your like if your how your friends are working in some project of SAE Baja or like particular competition, and if you want to buy the software, you can directly purchase it from over here, where so just simple steps to buy, like just add to the cart and you can just complete the process and you are able to access that platform. More than like if you are working for any SAE Baja or some competition, you can is you can get the sponsorship from the SolidWorks, like SolidWorks for the competition, and you can easily access like this team design, like if you're working in any team and if you want need the SolidWorks to develop your particular things for the competitions, you can use the SolidWorks design team sponsorship from the SolidWorks, where you will get like SolidWorks, and you will able to access particular these softwares which we basically use for the development of any particular project or competition. So here's the list of all the things. So you have to just go with the 3D Experience website and apply for the sponsorships. Right now, like one competitions going on, like sorry, it's okay. Like SolidWorks Project of the Year. So if you want the submission for the SolidWorks Project of the Year, you can go with the platform and contest, and you can enroll now. And if you need the access, you just you can get the access of the 3D Experience platform right now for the 6 month maybe. So you will just have to create the account for the competitions. Like if you are working for the like first formula student SAE or SAE Baja, like right now if you want to apply for the get the access for the project of the year 2022, you can use in the single user, and you can select the project of the year, and you can fill your information, and you will able to get the particular software. Like right now in the 3D Experience platform, by creating 3D Experience platform, you will get the 3D Experience platform of SolidWorks or a CATIA version. If you want to like enroll for the competitions of like SolidWorks project. So if you want to get the SolidWorks experience platform and want to learn about the things of SolidWorks platform, right now you can apply for the project of the year 2022, and you will get the access for the same. So it's the best chance to get that software before the June 6th, and you can get the access for the same. So this one, you can say that you will if you want to purchase the software, you can purchase the software. Otherwise you can prepare for any competition, you can get the sponsorship from the SolidWorks. Any other questions?
Okay, so there is a question not for SolidWorks but related to Baha or any vehicle designing. Like what initial steps we have to take to design a vehicle or e-vehicle or electric ATV?
Sure. So first of all, like for the any competition, the thing is matter is like the rule book. Like if you go and talk about the SAE Baja, Supra, or like a Robocon, so you can say that like you have to follow the just rule book. You have to understand all the topics and all the points of rule book. Then you can plan according to that. So first of all, like if you want to develop like a chassis, like and you there's some particular points given in the rule book, like small dimension, like smallest dimension and biggest dimension. So you can plan your design according to that. So that steps follow by follow, you can apply your check verify by the rule book, and you can start your design. And for the software, like yeah, then you can draft your design like particular first in the notebook or something as per the rule book. You can discuss with your teams. Then that's something, if you want to sort out, then you can sort out, and then you can start the developing of that product, like a Baha or electric car in software. Then you can go for the manufacturing process and all that things. And like for the electric vehicle, something like you need to, for the electric vehicle, the like batteries play significant role for developing any electric vehicle. and the selection of the motor and weight. So you can first of all select the battery and electric motor which you need to for the designing of the electric vehicle. So you can plan according to that. So any you need any information for the particular topic or something for the developing race car or electric car or SAE Baja car?
No, that's what you have answered the question from our audience or what they are asking, I think. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Harshil, for joining us. It's a great session.
Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity for present my thoughts, and thank you so much Jodhpur Swagan for the session. Thank you so much.
Okay. So coming to the design result, कोई विनर मतलब अभी तक जो रिजल्ट्स मेरे पास आए हैं जो या जो मॉडल सबमिट हुए हैं उसके अकॉर्डिंग एक्यूरेट मॉडल तो कोई नहीं था. So I will try to get a winner for the same. If we get anyone, then I will mail you or announce in the Jodhpur SOLIDWORKS user group network channel, WhatsApp group. Okay, these are my contact details. You can contact us for any query related to SolidWorks 3D Experience platform or any competition. Any queries from anyone? Okay, recording of this session will be uploaded on YouTube, and also previous 3 to 4 sessions are also uploaded in Jodhpur SolidWorks user group YouTube channel, so you can find those there also. Thank you everyone.